All right, so we're going to look at exponent rules. The first rule we're going to look at is negative exponents. So last week you looked at 5 squared, which is 5 to the second power, which is 5 times 5, which is 25. Today we're going to look at 5 to the negative second power. So what that means is squared is we are multiplying. So therefore, negative means we are dividing. So what happens is we make it 1 divided by 5 to the second power. So when I change it from the top to the bottom, it becomes positive. And sometimes you can leave it like that. Sometimes you would evaluate. So let's look at some examples. 3 to the negative fourth would become 1 over 3 to the fourth. 5 to the negative 11th would be 1 over 5 to the 11th. You can also have, if I start like this, 1 over 4 to the 5th, and I want to make it negative. So if I want it to become negative, I can work that way as well. So 1 over the 4 to the 5th is the same as 4 to the negative 5th. 1 over 36 to the 101st power would be the same as 36 to the negative 101. So basically, if you want to take a power and you want to switch it from positive to negative, you have to change its spot. When I'm talking about its spot, I'm talking about on a fraction with the numerator, the top, or the denominator, bottom. You have to change it to make it positive or negative. Let's look at a couple more. If you had 3 to the negative 10th, that's negative, so to make it positive, it'd be 1 over 3 to the 10th. If you started with 1 over 66 to the 121st, and you wanted to make it negative, so I'm going to go backwards, that would be 66 to the negative 121. All right, so now you're going to click on the next thing in the module and go and do some practice.